Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar panel chargers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Solupup Solar Panels 30-watt portable, foldable solar charger. This lightweight and compact solar panel is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who need reliable charging for their devices. With USB-A and USB-C outputs, capable of delivering 5 volts/3 amps, it can charge phones, tablets, and power banks efficiently. Thanks to its 23% conversion efficiency, it captures sunlight effectively, even under less than ideal conditions. The IPX5 waterproof rating ensures it can handle unexpected rain or dust, making it ideal for camping or hiking trips. From a design perspective, the Solupup charger is well thought out. It folds down to a compact size, resembling a book, and weighs only 2.4 pounds. This makes it incredibly portable and easy to carry in a backpack. The zippers on the pocket provide extra protection for the ports, while the carabiners included in the package make setup a breeze. However, keep in mind that its 30-watt power output may limit its compatibility with larger devices or power stations. Overall, the Solupup charger is a great option for casual users looking for a lightweight and portable solution for charging small electronics during outdoor activities. Its pros include excellent portability, IPX5 waterproofing, and solid energy conversion efficiency. On the downside, it's not suitable for devices requiring higher power outputs, and performance can vary depending on sunlight conditions. Coming in at number 4 is the FlexSolar 40-watt foldable solar panel charger. This charger is designed for versatility and convenience, featuring both USB-A and USB-C outputs with fast charging capabilities. It can simultaneously charge smartphones, tablets, and power banks, and even includes a 19V DC port for connecting to small power stations. With a 24% energy conversion rate, it's efficient enough to perform well even in lower sunlight conditions. But remember, it's a direct energy conversion device and doesn't store power, so it's best used during daylight hours. The FlexSolar charger is impressively lightweight at just 1.76 pounds and folds down to a compact size for easy portability. The ETFE laminate coating and IP67 weatherproof rating make it highly durable and resistant to rain, dust, and abrasion. While the junction box isn't fully waterproof, the panel itself is rugged enough to withstand challenging outdoor conditions. The package includes carabiners for convenient setup, but users need to ensure optimal sunlight exposure for peak performance. This product is ideal for adventurers who need a reliable solar charger that balances portability and power output. Its strengths include excellent energy conversion, durable design, and versatile charging options. However, the lack of energy storage and reliance on sunlight limits its use in cloudy or nighttime conditions. At number 3, we've got the Powwoxy upgraded 7.5-watt solar battery trickle charger maintainer. This charger is specifically designed for maintaining 12-volt batteries in vehicles like cars, motorcycles, boats, and RVs. The smart internal protection system ensures safe charging by preventing overcharging, overvoltage, and short circuits. Its conversion efficiency of up to 30% is impressive for a trickle charger, making it reliable for keeping batteries topped off during extended periods of inactivity. The Powwoxy charger stands out for its durability. Constructed with high-transparency tempered glass and an ABS plus PC frame, it's impact-resistant and weatherproof, requiring virtually no maintenance. Installation is straightforward, with options to connect via the car power outlet or alligator clips directly to the battery. The LED indicator lights provide clear feedback on charging status, making it user-friendly even for beginners. This is an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle batteries without worrying about battery drain. Its pros include robust build quality, ease of installation, and reliable performance. However, its 7.5-watt output is relatively low, limiting its versatility compared to higher-powered solar chargers. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Solperk Solar Panel Kit 20-watt 12-volt. This kit offers a reliable solution for maintaining 12-volt batteries in cars, RVs, motorcycles, and more. With a conversion efficiency of up to 30%, it's highly effective for trickle charging and battery maintenance. The included 8A charge controller ensures optimal charging performance while protecting against overcharging, overvoltage, and short circuits. Plus, the controller doesn't draw power from the battery, ensuring efficient energy usage. In terms of design, the Solperk panel is built to last. Its tempered glass surface and corrosion-resistant aluminum frame make it durable enough to withstand harsh weather conditions, including blizzards and sandstorms. The adjustable mounting bracket allows for easy installation and optimal angle adjustments for sunlight exposure. The kit also includes alligator clips and O-rings for flexible connection options. However, it's worth noting that the panel's 20-watt output may not be sufficient for larger power needs. The Solperk kit is a fantastic option for users seeking a dependable solar solution for vehicle battery maintenance. Its pros include excellent durability, high conversion efficiency, and a smart charge controller. On the downside, it's less portable than foldable panel options and is better suited for stationary setups. Finally, at the top spot, number 1, we have the Zaup W 100-watt portable solar panel. This powerhouse is designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. With a 23.5% conversion efficiency, it's capable of generating substantial power for a wide range of devices and power stations. The versatile output options include USB-A, USB-C, and multiple connectors for compatibility with most power stations, making it incredibly flexible. The ETFE coating ensures durability, while the IP67 waterproof rating allows it to withstand harsh weather conditions. What sets the Zaup W apart is its portability and ease of use. Despite its high power output, it folds down to a manageable size with a magnetic handle for easy carrying. The 2 adjustable kickstands make setup simple, ensuring optimal sunlight absorption. While it doesn't store electricity, its efficient design allows for reliable power generation during daylight hours. The included 10-foot extension cable and multiple connectors further enhance its versatility. The Zaup W 100-watt solar panel is the ultimate solution for users seeking high power output and durability for camping, RV trips, or emergency situations. Its pros include exceptional energy conversion, rugged build quality, and broad compatibility. The only notable downside is its heavier weight compared to smaller panels, but that's a small trade-off for its impressive capabilities. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.